What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So yes, I have been MIA, and I just want to give you all just a little bit of an update. It's nothing much. My health is good. It's just been so busy and just consumed with moving. My husband and I are moving from our home and moving just to the next city over. So I'm just kind of consumed with that, and I just said something's got to go on the back burner, and unfortunately it is my YouTube channel. So I'm just really happy to say hey to my ride or dies out there, and for people checking in on me. I really appreciate that. I don't know when I'm going to have, makeup videos up. It's just going to be on the back burner for now, and so I just wanted to let you all know what is going on. But I did want to bring a quick video about the hair that I have installed right now. This is from a company that I have reviewed before. It's called Longqi. They are an Amazon dealer. I believe they had their own separate store, but right now they're an Amazon dealer. And I am absolutely loving the hair. I have had this installed for, well, not installed. It's just a wig that I had made from my girl Sierra. She makes wigs so fast here. If you want her information, I'll give you her Instagram link right across here. She is located in the Chicago area, so I don't know how she does it for people that are not in the state. Will she, take delivering or, provide hair and deliver to you? So you have to talk to her, but she is good and she is fast. I like to provide her with my mannequin head. That's 23 inches in circumference, and she makes it. It's perfect fit. I absolutely love it. So what I have in my hair is the Brazilian Waterwave hair from Longqi. It is the 10-inch closer, 14, 16, 18. So not too long, but it's not too short either. You all know I'm about 5'2" for the ones who knows me, about 5'3" maybe, close to 5'3", and the hair hits about at my top of my bra strap, maybe a little bit higher. So it's a really good length, for me. Sometimes the hair can be really full, which I really like, but my husband always says, oh my goodness, your hair is so full, but I like it. It's really dark too. That's what I was kind of shocked at. Usually to me, weave can be kind of natural brown, have a little bit of brown, but this, as you can see, is really dark. I do have a part that Sierra had plucked in the hair right here, a very nice part, but I decided to do one of those kind of thicker braids right at the closure, not, so the tracks won't show, what have you. But when I say I get a lot of compliments on this, I get a lot of compliments. It's just a total different look from my super short hair that I have cut. I cut all my hair off. Just something different, so I love it. I have another review coming up with some clip-ins, so I'm going to have that coming up soon also. But yeah, so this is the hair. The hair came probably in probably a good 4 business days. It came pretty quick. This is the packaging, if you can see that, Longqi. And in here is how much hair was left. Now, this girl tried to put these tracks super close. I'm going to show you how much hair you get. This is what was left. From here. Wow. Yeah. Almost as tall as me. So what would that be, like 50 inches or so? Something like that, I think. But yeah, a lot of hair was left, and I'm glad that she didn't really stuff it, because I don't know if I really like that, but you could tell that the tracks are super close in here. I love the closure. I'm not a pro with closures or wigs or what have you, but I feel that the closure is pretty natural. I did put a little powder right here at the hairline. Sometimes I'll take a little bit of my hair out and then brush it up just to kind of camouflage, the closure line. But to me, it's really good. But I wanted to show you too that I also got some lashes in the box. I don't really like synthetic lashes, but that's what kind of comes in the box, as well as a comb set. It's like 2 combs, but I cannot find the combs at all, because I've actually had this for quite a while, like over a month. I've had this hair, and I lost the comb, so sorry. But I just kind of wanted to show you the hair. Now, as far as smell, absolutely no smell. It didn't have smell when it came in the packaging. The hair has been washed. there is very minimal shedding, so when you do that, I don't really see it, but maybe like throughout the day you may do that and you may have 1 or 2 strands, not a lot. Like I said, I've worn the hair, oh my goodness, this is probably my 4th time wearing it in a row, and the tangling, there is a little snagging, but not like caught, no, not at all. There's a little snagging here and there, but the hair is so soft. I love the soft wave pattern in here. I did put a little bit of mousse in it yesterday when I went out with my husband. So I put like some water and some mousse. It was like Nairobi mousse. So I liked how the hair was kind of feeling, you know, after that, and the way that the hair was left looking. So yeah, this is the hair. I didn't want to make the video too long. This is the hair, as you can see. And yeah, I give it 5-10 stars without any ever a 10 out of 10. I absolutely am loving this hair. So you guys, make sure you look at them on Amazon and see all the different varieties of hair that they have as well. They're really nice to deal with. I'm a YouTuber, but I'm not that popular, so I don't see why they are being so nice to me. You know, a lot of people say, oh, they give hair nice hair to the YouTubers. I don't know. Longqi has some pretty good reviews, so you need to check them out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Y'all take care, okay? Bye.